using segmentation to persuade hard-to-get leads. Hello there, everyone. Some of your subscribers will play hard to get. That is a reality. And the longer they stay in your list without engaging with your emails, the more that they will affect your deliverability rates. That is why we are going to show you how to use segmentation. Segmentation is the action of dividing your subscribers into segments according to their behavior. In this video, we are going to focus on subscribers that do not open your emails. We are going to start on our MailChimp dashboard. From here, we are going to click on the List tab located on the top left-hand menu bar. Once there, we are going to select a list from where we can segment non-opening subscribers. The idea behind this strategy is that once you have added them to a different segment, you can repurpose the emails that you have previously sent them with different subject lines and offers. Okay, so once we identify our target list, we'll simply click on its corresponding drop-down menu, and then we will click on the Manage Contacts option. On the following page, we're going to look for the Segments option, and we're going to click on it. On the following page, we're going to click on the Create Segment button. All right, so on this page, we're going to start by selecting All in the Contacts Match menu. Now, in the menus below, we're going to select the following options: Campaign Activity, Did Not Open, and all of the last 5 campaigns. Now we're going to click on Preview Segment. This will show us which subscribers meet our target conditions. Now we are simply going to click on Save as Segment. Now we are going to name this new segment. Now we'll click on Save. And that is it. Now we have a segment of subscribers that we can remarket to with repurposed email campaigns.